Bro, you're funny.
Okay, I'll wait.
Wait for what?
Don't play with me.
You always say the same stuff every day.
Like what?
Oh.
Listen carefully. If you love Satan, skip this video, but it might hurt your mom. If you love Jesus and mom, please click follow, like, comment, I love Jesus and mommy, and share. I will give you 3 seconds to make a decision.
Okay, I'll start first. The bell doesn't dismiss you, I do. You should have went to the bathroom during lunch.
Do I hear talking?
Trust me, there's a lot more too.
Oh, great heavens!